Guys, yes, it's gonna rain about 1,000%. My mom just looked and it's gonna be really scary. It's really scaring me. I'm about to cry, guys. It's getting me really bad. I'm in my bedroom. I'm doing on my front kick over the handstands up against my bed. Look, let me show you. Wait. Yes. Oh my God, hurry. Look. I'm going to have to shut my curtains. There's none of my light showing right now. I'm trying to be very quiet. I'm going to be very quiet. I'm on my bed, and I'll see you when I'm sleeping. Bye. Oh, hey guys, I just woke up. Very sleepy. I'm so sleepy. It's blowing bad. I have to end my video before it shuts down, okay, guys? It's not gonna shut down. I'm just going to take a nap. So bye, guys. Thumbs up, a kitty thumbs up, a doggy subscriber. Then I'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna do a video of my cat when I get my cat, because my dad was gonna get me a cat, but he forgot to. So I'm gonna try and do it, so my dad's gonna probably give me a video. Not a video, a cat. So bye, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it, because it's gonna probably do something when we're out of electricity. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Bye, guys. Well, I'm gonna shut YouTube down, so bye.